Bye-bye.
Adios.
Come back, man. Come back. Come back. Give me the paper again. Count one will be 10,000.
Are you serious?
I am serious. Adios.
Then gave him the finger.
Come back again. Did you say? Did you say that?
Yes, sir. I did.
Oh, you did say that? I find you in direct criminal contempt. 30 days in the county jail.
I mean, yeah, like, listen, there is part of me that's conflicted about this, to be perfectly honest, because, you know, it should be based on the crime, but at the same time, your attitude always lends into those things. Your attitude always lends in, even if it was like a jury, you know? That's why some people don't want to take the stand themselves.
And I don't know who he is, but whoever can sit here at a tragic moment like this and laugh and smile when somebody has lost a family member. I mean, the entire time that Mr. Zerker's sister was speaking, that clown, and that's what I'm going to call him, a clown, was sitting there smiling and laughing. And you can go too, because if you don't know how to act, you can go to jail.
I've actually seen this one like just on my own personal time on YouTube, and it's like she was like laughing while somebody delivered like a victim impact statement or something.
So leave. Anybody that can sit there and laugh and smirk when somebody, take her, she's going in the back. She's going in the back. Anybody else want to go? You can go too.
Imagine, yeah, go to, I think she probably only went to jail for like a day, but still, go, sit in there and think about what you did. It's like when you're a kid, you gotta like put your nose in the corner. I'm like, go sit in that cell and think about what you did, okay? Maybe reflect, because that's so inappropriate.
I need to learn to behave myself.
Made one payment of $100, and you sold the horse to her for $1,500, which means she owes you $1,400.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Good. Judgment's on the counterclaim for $1,400. We're done. Thank you.
Parties are excused. May step out.
That's so funny. What the hell? Can I watch that one again, Chris? Even I, like, listen, I don't owe anybody $1,400, and even I'm sitting here like, what in the world? Everyone was shocked. Even, especially the people who showed up because they wanted to watch Judge Judy that day. They just got to watch 30 seconds of her. That's crazy.
Wait, you want to watch this again?
Nah, it's cool. I did, but now I'm over it. I worked it out.
Sorry, sir. False alarm.
Oh, that's so funny. I love Judge Judy. Man, when I was a kid and I was sick, like in elementary school and stuff, and I was staying home sick, that's all I did was just watch Judge Judy and Judge Mathis all day, because that's what's on TV.
And Joe Brown.
And Joe Brown! Oh my god, how did I forget Judge Joe Brown?
There it is, there it is, there it is.
I'm watching you.
There it is.
Excuse me, I work here, ma'am. Well, I need your fingerprint, please.
Wow. I don't even know, like, who are you? Like, who gave you your adult license? Who promoted you from teenager or kid or freaking toddler to adult? You know, like, whoever did that needs to be fired, because, like, you gotta get demoted. Like, we gotta send you straight back to toddler camp, kindergarten class, like, put you in the corner for a little bit. You need to go on timeout. Elder Greek Karens freak out when dogs try to swim in the sea. Why are you freaking out, Elder Greek Karen? Why are you freaking out? Just like let it lie, like let it be, dude. Like look where you are and you're causing problems with the dog. Just chill, man, like relax. Oh, but it's a doggy.
I think they like dogs.
Oh my god. Chill, lady, chill. Alright, story time. Guys, I've been to Greece before. It is so, so beautiful. I don't even know how you could, in an environment like this, have any sort of like stresses or anything in your life.
We had to stand by the whole damn day. Our flight was supposed to leave in 10 minutes and we missed our flight and they got nothing available. All day, you know? I'm gonna miss a whole day of work for this. Got here late, didn't expect the line to be like this. There was a problem with the credit card, I guess, or something.
Why didn't you
advised you to be here
this
2 hours
airport?
before departure. You showed up 20 minutes before departure.
Yeah, I mean, like, that's literally your own fault. Like, if you're not aware of airports and like how freaking long they take. 3 hours, guys, like that's what it is. Like you get there 3 hours beforehand.
Because the line
takes about 40 minutes, 40 to 50 minutes.
Well, we've never been here before, so I didn't know this, okay?
Okay, well that's your own fault then.
That's ridiculous.
And yeah, if you get there 3 hours beforehand, are you gonna have to sit and wait for probably an hour or so, like after you get through? Yes, you are. But I'd rather sit and wait for my flight and actually make my flight than show up 20 minutes before and not make it and then cause this scene and not get where I'm going, you know? Like 3 hours, guys, them's the rules.
I said you can't have guests here without your parents being here.
Why?
Because that's the rule.
So why are you here? Why are you here in street clothes?
Man, what are the rules? I think that is what this one boils down to. Like, I also don't know. Oh, okay, actually, you know what? It doesn't even boil down to that. Like, who cares? You know, like
it's in the rules form that they signed. You didn't sign that, so you're not aware of the rules. They have to be here.
Go get your parents to come down here.
My parents are at the lake because I'm a responsible adult and don't need them to babysit.
You're not being responsible right now.
How?
I just read the rules. I just read them like 3 days ago. You guys
I love how you men love to tell me what to do, but I'm a woman and I'm not going to let you harass me.
I think that's what it boils down to. Like, who actually cares? Maybe that is in the rule book. Oh, I didn't study this thing up, dude. Like, I don't care. Like, just leave me alone.
Go away and leave me alone.
It doesn't matter. You can't be here. It's a private school. It is a private. Okay, what's your address?
Wow. Man, it's just like, it's one of those situations where like, I don't even understand how you could possibly have that much energy to do that.
No, I don't care. You either tell me where you live.
Oh my gosh. Lady, like, who put you in charge here?
I'm on board.
I guess I get it if hundreds of people were showing up out of the blue and like completely ruining your pool and they didn't live there, and like, yeah, like that's when it becomes a problem. But if you have an issue like that, I guess you just take it up with the management. Don't do this and like be YouTube star. Like, welcome to YouTube, lady. Like, here you are now.
Matters no way I want to try this case. I have any further proceedings, or I have to see you for one further step. Set for the rear view next week.
Watch
his
again
lawyer's face
as Webb literally spit on the judge. But this incident is far from the last time Bass Webb will spit in the face of the law.
Oh, wow, that really cut off on a cliffhanger. His lawyer's face though, he just turned and he's like, how am I? Help me help you, man. Please, please help me help you. That's crazy. And that's like, that's a whole separate charge now.
What?
Can I just say he admitted to us that he was intoxicated?
I don't care if he's intoxicated or not. What were you cursing at him for? What were you cursing at him for? Your best friend tells me you were cursing at him from the car. Were you intoxicated?
We were being dumb, and then he confronts two tiny women in front of the house while him, and it wasn't 3, it was like 5 or 6 of his friends.
Were you cursing at 5 or 6 of his friends for, you idiot?
Because they're losers.
Do you get it? Do you get it? They're manipulative. She's a problem. Your daughter.
Yikes. I want to know more. I need to go home and watch some Judge Judy today. I need to know what's going on in these. Again, like, why does everybody give the judge attitude? I guess you kind of have to on like these shows like Judge Judy and Joe Brown and stuff, because, you know, it's a TV show and I think that's why people go on there. It's like the Maury of courtrooms.
I'm a single mother with nobody that loves me or my child. What you cheering for?
I'm not.
No, you were. He is over here breaking down because he loves this child so much. I sit here day after day after day with women hoping a man would drive 16 miles to see their baby, much less 160 miles each way, and abide by a court order and sign a birth certificate and come day after day and week after week so they can grow visitation to have a relationship with a child. And you have no compassion for not just him.
I mean, makes sense when she says it like that. Makes sense. I mean, that's so true. That is so true. I don't know, again, I don't know what the rest of the situation is like, but makes sense when you say it like that.
How do
you think you cannot have a job?
What?
How do you, what?
I couldn't hear you.
No, it's called excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am?
See, we're going to get it right in here today. I don't know who's teaching you, but I'm going to give you a lesson.
I'm teaching them.
Well, you're not. Because when I say something, the answer's not what. In the world, he's got to have a job.
Oh,
hold on. I started working when I was 13 years old and been working ever since. That baby is how old, Miss Hasty?
6 weeks.
So how do you take care of the baby?
At work.
I don't know.
Are you applying?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
I mean, she's not wrong. Like, she's just trying to, you know, teach a lesson that his parent should have taught him long ago. You know, it's just when you're in court, you gotta say things like that. You can't go, what? You know, just like how other places, I mean, I guess you can do it, but just not the best, you know, most productive way to be. We'll put it that way, you know?
At my house, he was eating there, sleeping there.
He was living with you?
Basically.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
And your grandmother?
Yes.
My house.
No, not sleeping with her. Not sleeping with her, but she was in the house. Her room is right next to mine.
I did not mean that. I meant was he living with you and your grandmother?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
Get your minds out the gutter. Were you living with them, Mr. Means?
Absolutely not.
Oh. That was a hard cut at the end there. Oh man, she did not like that. She is not there to play games. She's not there to joke around. Okay, she has a case to get to the bottom of, you know? I don't know if that made sense, but I hope you get what I mean by that.
After a judge sentenced another judge to jail time, chaos erupted in an Ohio courtroom, and taking the defendant into custody wasn't so easy, as a court officer had to drag her out. Former Cincinnati Judge Tracy Hunter was sentenced to 6 months in jail back in 2014, but she's been appealing the ruling ever since. She was convicted of misusing her position as a judge to help her brother.
Oh, to help her brother what? Let me know. That's juicy. Dang, I need to know more, and I need to know why she got absolutely tackled. Dang, that's crazy. Man, it sucks when people misuse their power. It's rude. It's very rude. Yeah, jail time, I mean, makes a lot of sense.
You say you are being disturbed by noise that is being purposefully caused by the defendant. She acknowledges that she is making noise in her house to purposefully annoy all of her neighbors.
Yes.
And she is saying that until all the neighbors band together to get rid of Mr. Vibot, she is going to continue to make everybody's life miserable. They are entitled to the peaceful enjoyment of their home, just as you are. But I'm not hearing the case now against either Mr. Vibot or the city council. I'm hearing the case of these innocent people who have been caused to suffer because you are protesting something that has nothing to do with them. And Ms. Lord, you have to stop.
We love it. I mean, yeah, that's what I was thinking when she was explaining the case and the old lady was like, yeah. I was like, this seems like she's in the wrong. Also, this is clearly like old Judge Judy. You can just tell by the way it looks. How is Judge Judy not aged a day? Like, if anything, she's Benjamin Button. That's how that goes, right? He reverses in age. I've never seen the movie, but I just know the concept, you know? That's crazy. She looks, you know, she hasn't aged a day. That's insane. And I need to know her skincare routine.
Got you on video.
That's fine.
Your Honor, I had no intention on skipping out on the lease.
Just a second.
Whether you did or not, she was whole.
It's my house.
She doesn't understand that. She doesn't understand that. She's not getting 1 cent from you, not a penny. And if the hole has to be fixed, let her fix it. She's got to learn to control that temper. She had no right. You understand that.
And that's the truth. We stand Judge Judy over here on Top 10 Central.
It would be like Mr. Schlesinger, if you paid your $2,000 rent on October 1st, on October 28th, Mr. Schlesinger came and busted in through your front door. You said, you can't do that.
Yeah.
I paid my rent through the end of this month. You have no right to bust in the front door of my house. This belongs to me until the end of the month.
But like, yeah, oh my god, man, landlords are crazy. Landlords are crazy. Especially living in like a city like Toronto. Holy smokes, they're wild. They want you to bend over backwards for them, and then they want to do nothing for you. It's just wild.
Did you say something? Sorry, can I have a tissue? I'm allergic.
Oh.
Oh, John. Goodbye, John.
See you later.
Off you go.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is clearly like the British Judge Judy.
Bye.
No, out you go. Really? I've been called a lot worse by a lot better than you.
I can't.
What a chump.
I don't understand why, of all the people to be rude to, why on earth? Why on earth? Don't know why it's gonna be the judge. Just seems like a bad decision, personally. I don't know.
Both parents are fit and proper persons to have custody of the minor child. I'm awarding joint custody.
Just take me out. I can't do this. This is a disgrace. What you guys are doing, you need to neglect your son.
I mean, I don't know any of the intricacies, so I can't comment on anything, because maybe she's right. Who knows? I mean, I don't think you should just get up and yell at the judge. It usually doesn't work out well. But, you know, when you're talking about your kid, assuming that's the joint custody.
All right, Suzanne Wall. My charger's battery. Oh, wow, I know, man. But that's the way life is. What did he say?
I called you a because you're... I apologize, I was out of line. I'm just upset because this is not what I was charged with yesterday.
Okay,
I
sir.
was charged with a battery.
I accept your apology, and I will sentence you to 60 days in the Broward County Jail.
Can I take the back in?
All right, sir, hold it. Come on back. Come on back, sir.
I asked if you're allowed to do that for me.
All right, sir. I find you in contempt of court for the second time you said that. Sir, you have nothing. I'm going to send you to another 60 days to run consecutive to the prior 60 days. Do you have anything else you'd like to say?
Nah.
I mean, man, like, I get it. I get it. I get it. Sometimes you're really angry and you need to let it out, but here and that way is not the time or place, you know? It's just not a good look, not a good option.
Pastor Nunez owes Hillsborough County $4 million in fines. Code enforcement says he's let some of his 40 rental homes fall into disrepair.
Let me put me in jail. That's what I like to do.
That's what the 73-year-old told us last week.
Why don't you kill me here too? I'm hurt too, both. Let me tell you something. I'm sorry she hit your mouth. I'm in a courtroom, okay? You're in a courtroom and you respect this court. We're going to have a contempt hearing, sir. You will not mouth off to me. You understand me?
Nunez lost his temper with the judge today in this Tampa courtroom. Still, he gave him a 30-day grace period to hire a private attorney.
So this guy, he's a landlord, so he's making money off of people, won't pay any fines, everything's in disrepair, and now he's getting angry that he has to face the consequences of that? Sir, come on, come on. You gotta take a little responsibility here. You don't think you did anything wrong? $4 million, that doesn't just happen overnight. You know what I mean? That's somebody who's been fucking up for a while.
You kicked in her door for which she had paid rent for the entire month of August. You had no right to kick in her door.
Yes.
On the 27th, 28th, or 29th of August. Play it again, Sam.
I love this.
Got you on video. That's fine.
You had no right to do
this.
it. And there is no question in my mind that a person who could not, with that attitude that I saw, cause this injury, you're going to pay her exactly what she asks for, which is $1,500. Judgment on the counterclaim, $1,500. You got a bad temper. You want to continue to rent to her?
I love this. That's great. I mean, yeah, we love the video receipts. In this day and age, everyone's got a camera. You can't just get away with anything anymore. That's it. We saw the proof. The proof is in the pudding, and that's it.
Because why? Because of why? Because why? Why? What did we do?
That's pretty cool dog leash.
They're not supposed
Just
to be
saying.
perched along the river edge.
Who says? Who said that? Because we've been coming here for years and we always do that.
Yeah, no, I mean, you are right. That is why she's doing it. She does not have a life.
There's so many people that do that. Why are you giving me a look? We've been coming here for years. And we've never had a problem. We've never had a problem. But you want to come and make a problem when we're just yeah. Because you have no life, right?
I just want to say though, that leash is cool. It's got like lights on it and stuff, you know, it's like you can see your dog and it's like it's there and like, but it's also like looks cool. That's my biggest takeaway from this video is like, honestly, like you're a Karen and like you suck, but like you have a really cool leash.
I just asked this lady to stop harassing these people.
Wow, this looks like an awesome area.
You're the only member I've ever seen do that, and everybody pulls in with a car and a sticker.
Wow, yeah, I mean, I think they were both popping off right there. Like, they were both elite levels.
We all believe yours too, not just you.
I know everyone.
Then mind your own business.
This is my business.
I don't know who started it. I think it was the lady in the blue there, but like, just like mind your business, seriously. What?
You shouldn't get out of your business. I do. I don't have to show you that.
You do if I ask you.
No, I don't. You don't.
Karen's getting mad.
Also, another big takeaway from that one, did you guys see that cool slide in the background? Like, that entire area just looked freaking awesome. I'm getting like serious cottage vibes right now. Like, I gotta go to a cottage soon.
You are disturbing the beach! You're disturbing the beach! So are you! So are you! So are they!
Oh boy.
Them. I'm not doing donuts! It doesn't what my recreational fucking... No! He's gonna get beat up is what he's gonna get.
Wow, this was heated, man. This was heated. My dude wanted to throw hands. Not cool. We don't want to throw cans. It's a vacay right now.
Then come over here and coach me. Please stop. No! You came down here to me.
Alright, well, let's leave it like that.
Respectfully, and you come down here running your... That's what... Mind your business.
I'm trying to figure out what vehicle he's actually in though. Like, is he in a boat right now? Like, is he in like a golf cart like they are? Like, what was he doing donuts in? You know, like, is he on an ATV? Like, what were you doing? Like a motorbike? I don't know. Comment down below. What was this guy riding that was causing the problems?
Why didn't you just kill that fish and throw it back in and kill it?
I didn't kill it.
You did so. I saw it and it's floating here.
I tried to release it, but it didn't release, so I did not kill it.
You did. I saw it here and it's just flapping up and around.
Well, what did happen? Why was the fish floating? What do you mean it ended up floating? Like, did it end up dying?
You've got to hide. Can I see your fishing license, please?
I do have a fishing license.
Yeah, good.
I'll put you on YouTube as well.
That's okay.
That's all right. There's nothing wrong that I've done. Absolutely nothing wrong.
Are you allowed to kill it? Did it actually kill it? Did you, like, you should probably not be throwing it back in the... I don't know, man. I don't know anything about fishing, so like, I feel like I'm not the best one to comment on this video. What happened to the fish, man? Like, why was it floating if it's not dead then, you know?
Pretty weird fish, huh?
I'm just asking. Because it's going to be your
I got to pee. I got to get off of here.
Oh, I've seen this one before.
I'm trying to...
Here we go. Here comes the scream, everybody. Yeah, get out of here. Like, literally get out of here, man. Like,
oh. That's crazy. I need to know more about what's going on here because that's not normal. What's the backstory, guys? Let me know. I don't like it. Something bad's going on there.
Hold on. I love the part. Here's the memory we're getting ready to make because I made my ruling. Child support is set at $2,300. You're gonna do a reimbursement to Medicaid for $276, making your monthly child support payment $2,576.
That's how much you gotta pay.
No, that's how much you gotta pay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The children live with him.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I don't see the celebration.
Thank you.
Wait a minute. What happened to the celebration? Because you're the one that's paying that $2,576. The children live with him. He should not pay you anything.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And I said I made my ruling, so I really don't have to hear anything further. Did you have any questions about that number?
Dang, shoes going off. I mean, listen, if he's got the kids most of the time and she's making money, it only makes sense. You know, you gotta contribute. You can't just be there 2 days of the week and call that a day. You gotta contribute to everything and every day of the week. You know, having kids is not a small thing. It's a commitment. You gotta sacrifice a lot of stuff, almost everything really. You know, it's a lot, But then you get a little demon that you have to worry about for the rest of your life.
Yes.
Wow, my guys are quick. This is unbelievable. Oh, she's causing big problems, eh? No, don't. Bro, literally, that right there is when I trip on her. Eat it, fake an injury, and be like, oh my god, like Karen, like you did this to me, and like we got it all on video, you know? It's like literally that's what I do there. Cause what is she gonna say? Oh, like I was lying there? No, you weren't. You just went in there, like boom, we got her. That is, I know it's petty, folks, but like sometimes you gotta pull the stops out.
Okay, so then why do you dress this way?
What?
And I like women, so please leave us alone.
Well,
kindly.
Well, take young.
I'm at the beach in my bathing suit.
Yeah, that's a thong and that's a bra.
Dude, just like walk away, like.
That's a
take young guys into consideration. They don't need to see pornography right now.
Oh my god.
You please go away.
You're flaunting your stuff.
I'm not flaunting anything. Don't look at me.
You look around and you're the only thing that sticks out because your whole body.
Okay, well, why are you looking at me?
If it is actually causing you that much of a problem, just don't look in that direction. Like seriously, it's like, why are you concerning yourself with these other people? You know, it just, I don't know.
Maybe you're the problem. To me. She punched me.
Don't be a little girl.
I love her
Why you
accent.
punch me?
My son punches you.
Why you punch me?
If my son punches you, you'll know.
I love her accent.
No, I will take video. I don't take.
Did you see the one tooth, guys? She was sporting like a solid one tooth right there, guys. Like, I think that there was literally like one guy in there. I'm surprised that she's even capable of like getting out those words.
If my son's been here,
well, yeah. I could actually hear what you say.
My sons are blacker than you, so f you racism.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, see the laugh.
Take good care of your teeth. That look is not at all flattering on you.
My goodness gracious, Karen. Like, this is just, there's a lot going on. I want to see what happened before this clip. I'm not sure if she did actually hit him or like if her son, because how did her son get factored into this? I don't know, man. Just Karens being Karens. Folks, those were some toxic Karens who ruined everyone's vacation. That is not where we want them to be because usually I'm trying to get away from them when I go on vacation. So that really, really sucks.